In this question, the principle states that every person is entitled to freedom of conscience and the right to freely profess, practice and propagate religion. It also states that activities that are not an essential part of the religion can be reasonably restricted. So, a reasonable restriction could be put on these activities which are not an essential part of religion. Explanation states that those activities that are not integral to the practice of religion are said to be not an essential part of religion. So, those activities which are not the core activities, which are not integral to the practice of religion, would be non-essential part of the religion, and on those areas a reasonable restriction could be implied. In the facts, it's stated that Air India has come up with a notification which bans any person to wear a kripan while traveling, as it posed a risk of hijacking and was perceived as a security threat. Now, kripan is it's carried by the Sikh people of Sikh religion, and the legal council of Air India informed the management about a judgment in which wearing a kripan has been held to be an integral part. So, because it's an integral part, it's not a non-essential part, and therefore reasonable restriction could not be put on this part. Therefore, wearing a kripan is an integral part and it cannot be reasonably restricted. Therefore, the notification is unconstitutional, and because of the reason that it violates the freedom to practice religion, and wearing a kripan is an integral part of Sikh religion. Therefore, the correct answer option would be option A.